In this video, we will learn about the SSC-CGL Tier 2 and 3 tests. Let us now discuss the structure of Tier 2 and 3 tests. SSC-CGL 2016 entrance exam has been divided into 3 parts: Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. Those who will qualify Tier 1 test will be invited to appear in the Tier 2 test. And further, those who qualify for the Tier 2 test will be invited to appear in the Tier 3 test. Tiers 1 and 2 are computer-based objective tests. On the other hand, Tier 3 is subjective in nature. Now there are two tables that appear on the screen, and they show you the structure of the Tier 2 and 3 tests. So as you can see, the Tier 2 test has two subjects: quantitative ability and English language and comprehension. There are 100 questions in quant and 200 questions in English language. Each section has got 200 marks and has to be attempted in 2 hours. So the total exam has got 300 questions with a maximum of 400 marks to be attempted in 4 hours. Let's now take a look at the Tier 3 test structure. We will have 2 to 3 questions. Obviously, they will be descriptive tasks. The maximum marks of this test will be 100 and the duration will be 1 hour. It is important that you summarize the information available in these tables in order to plan your exam strategy well in advance. Now moving ahead, let us discuss the scoring methodology of the Tier 2 and 3 exams. The scoring strategy remains unchanged from that of previous year. The table appearing on the screen shows the scoring criteria. So in quantitative ability, every question carries 2 marks. Every incorrect answer will take away 0.5 mark, and unattempted questions do not attract any penalty. In the English language and comprehension section, each question carries 1 mark. Every incorrect answer will take away 0.25 mark. And like in the case of quantitative ability, any unattempted question will not attract any penalty. Tier 3 is a new addition and will carry a total score of 100 marks, which would ideally constitute 2 or 3 questions. There will be no negative marking in Tier 3 as it is descriptive in nature. Let's now talk about the cutoffs we need in order to clear the test. There are no sectional cutoffs that need to be cleared in Tier 2 and 3. There is just an overall cutoff that needs to be cleared in Tier 2 in order to get a call for Tier 3. The table on the screen shows the cutoffs for different categories. So in general category, the overall cutoff is expected to be 300 to 310. For OBC, it is expected to be 275 to 285. For SC category, it's likely to be 240 to 245. And for ST category, it's likely to be 215 to 220. Now, since Tier 3 is a new stage introduced in 2016, there is no past cutoff data available for this. We expect the cutoff for the general category to be in the range of 55 to 65. I hope this video provided you with all the essential information about the SSC-CGL Tier 2 and 3 exams. Plan your studies well and crack the exam.